Ever wonder which workout is better for burning calories, cardio or strength training? It's a question a lot of people ask when they're trying to lose fat or tone up. Should you spend more time running or lifting weights? Well, today we're breaking it all down so you can figure out what's going to work best for your fitness goals. In this video, we'll compare the two most popular types of workouts, cardio and strength training. We'll dive into the pros and cons of each, discuss how they affect fat loss and muscle toning, and by the end, you'll have a clear idea of how to incorporate both into your routine for maximum results. Let's get started. What is cardio? Let's kick things off with cardio. Cardio, short for cardiovascular exercise, includes activities like running, cycling, swimming, and even dancing. These exercises get your heart pumping and are great for improving endurance. Calorie burn in cardio. When it comes to calorie burning, cardio tends to burn more calories per minute compared to strength training. This is because cardio is focused on getting your heart rate up and keeping it elevated. Depending on the intensity, you can burn anywhere from 300 to 600 calories per hour, or even more if you're doing something intense like sprinting or high-intensity interval training. The pros of cardio. Quick calorie burn. If you're short on time and want to burn as many calories as possible in a single workout, cardio is your go-to. Heart health. It strengthens your heart and lungs, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease and improve overall cardiovascular health. Endurance building. It's excellent for building stamina and endurance, especially for long-duration activities. The cons of cardio. Muscle loss risk. One downside is that doing too much cardio, especially without strength training, can lead to muscle loss. This can slow down your metabolism over time because muscle burns more calories at rest. No muscle toning. While cardio burns fat, it doesn't really help with building or toning muscles. So if your goal is to have a more toned, defined physique, cardio alone won't get you there. What is strength training? Now let's talk about strength training. This includes exercises like weightlifting, body weight exercises like push-ups and squats, or resistance band work. Strength training focuses on building muscle by challenging your muscles with resistance. Calorie burn in strength training. Strength training burns fewer calories during the actual workout compared to cardio. On average, you might burn around 200 to 400 calories per hour depending on the intensity. But here's the kicker. Strength training keeps burning calories after your workout. This is called the afterburn effect, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC, where your body continues to burn calories as it repairs and rebuilds your muscles. So while the calorie burn might seem lower initially, your body is working hard for hours afterward. The pros of strength training. Builds muscle. Strength training is the best way to build and tone muscles. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even while resting. Boosts metabolism. Over time, strength training increases your metabolism, meaning you burn more calories throughout the day. Improves strength and function. It helps improve your overall strength, posture, and the ability to perform daily activities more efficiently. The cons of strength training. Slower calorie burn during workouts, while you're burning calories long after the workout. Strength training doesn't burn as many calories during the actual session as cardio does. Learning curve. For beginners, strength training can feel a little intimidating, especially if you're unfamiliar with weights or proper form. But don't worry. Starting with bodyweight exercises or light dumbbells can help you ease into it. Cardio versus strength training for fat loss. Now the big question, which is better for fat loss? The answer is both. Yep, combining cardio and strength training is the best way to burn fat and tone up. Cardio burns calories quickly, which can help you create the calorie deficit needed for fat loss. But strength training builds muscle, and the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn at rest. In fact, muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue, even when you're just chilling on the couch. If you only do cardio, you might lose weight, but you could end up losing muscle along with fat. This can result in a skinny fat look, where you are lighter but not necessarily toned. On the flip side, if you only focus on strength training without doing any cardio, you might build muscle but not burn enough fat to reveal that definition. Practical tips to combine cardio and strength training. So how do you incorporate both into your routine? Here's a simple plan. Alternate cardio and strength days. Do cardio on one day and strength training on another. For example, you could do a 30-minute run on Monday, followed by a strength workout on Tuesday. This way, you're giving your muscles time to recover while still getting in a solid cardio session. Add intervals to your cardio. If you're short on time, try doing HIIT, high-intensity interval training. It combines short bursts of intense cardio with strength moves, so you get the benefits of both in one session. For example, you could do 30 seconds of sprinting, followed by 30 seconds of squats, repeated for 20 minutes. Full body strength training. Focus on compound movements in your strength training sessions, like squats, deadlifts, and push-ups. These exercises target multiple muscle groups at once, helping you burn more calories and build muscle faster. Balance is key. Aim for 3 to 4 strength training sessions per week and mix in 2 to 3 days of cardio, depending on your goals. The key is finding a balance that works for you and fits your lifestyle. So, there you have it. Cardio and strength training each have their place in a fat loss journey. Cardio will help you burn calories and improve your endurance, while strength training is essential for building muscle and boosting your metabolism. The best approach. Combine both to maximize your results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more fitness tips and routines. And I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite type of workout? Are you more of a cardio lover, or do you prefer strength training? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.